and those financial statements and plans and goals. Shouting, I am infinite money. Let's hear it. And those walls will come tumbling down. So I kept saying, I am money. I got to wind up here now. And they took me to the hotel. Walked in, walked up to the desk, gave them my passport because I didn't know French. Lo and behold, something happened. Never happened before. They checked me in, didn't ask for cash, didn't ask for a credit card. Who you are will tell everybody, will introduce you and identify you to everybody that you need to be identified to. Without you opening your mouth, there will be a subconscious to subconscious communication from the superconscious. The Father in heaven will tell whoever needs to know. Give him what he wants. Don't ask him any stupid questions about credit cards and how you're going to pay for this. Something will just tell them, no, somebody this way, no, you shouldn't do that. You know, you may start an international incident.